Yeah.
So you went from ear to ear wax.
Yeah.
Because you just like to flow like that.
Last one.
Earwax removal device heads to market with $8 million funding, FDA clearance, and you can just tell that that's going to be a viral TikTok video when you look at that.
Yeah,
you
right?
look at that image and you're like, hey, I just see.
It's made for TikTok.
I see TikTok slathered all over that one. The guy is wearing what look like enormous headphones, and but it looks to be extracting a liquid-like substance from his ears. I presume there's some type of suction involved. The man clicks a button on a device settled on his ears like a giant headphone set. A motor runs, fluid flows. It's weirdly satisfying, he says, in a TikTok video that's racked up, what 1.5 million views or 15 million views? 15 million views, because we're talking TikTok.
Yeah.
All right, play the video, Will. See what you got here. Yeah.
Well, this is the promo video. I can take you to
I want
TikTok.
TikTok guy's video. If you
want
don't,
TikTok?
yeah, if you don't mind, I think there was a link at the top there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to see. Please wait. TikTok's very busy right now. You have volume? I want to hear him say oddly satisfying. Labeled left and right. It's flushing his ears out, so it's sending water in there and then
Yeah, there's like
really
there's
satisfying.
a top chamber and a lower chamber.
He goes, really satisfying. Top chamber shoots clean, or
Yeah, you load it with clean water,
I
and
guess
then
clean,
it shoots
probably
into your ear.
distilled, probably, right? Because you got microbes and microbials, and
Sure.
I don't know. But and then it shoots in, and then in the bottom chamber, after flushing it out, it shoots the dirty water. You like this kind of thing, Will?
I'll give it a shot. Come on now.
I knew you would. You like this kind of thing. This is right up your alley. It is a big contraption to have around. I don't know how often. You know what I think people are going to do? They're going to do like...
This guy's ears is... The water's brown.
Well, it should be, shouldn't it? I think the other guy...
know.
I think the other guy's using it too often. See, because
There's that thing too.
Because that's
Using
what I
it
think
too
people are
often.
going to do. Is they're going to go, oof, oddly satisfying. And then there's like a natural component to it as well. Like you don't want to keep those things...
Squeaky clean.
Well, because it's going to dry it out, I would think, at a
Sure.
certain point. And then you're going to have irritation, and you might actually increase production. I think this is something you're going to use in a, well, I don't know what the advice even of a medical professional would be, how often you want to be using it. The developer says, we want to essentially do for your ears what Sonicare and electric toothbrush companies have done for teeth. I don't know that you're supposed to be doing that as often. I don't know. The device was a blueprint. About 10% of children and 5% of adults have excessive or impacted earwax. An estimated 8 million earwax removal procedures occur annually in U.S. clinics. No, that's cool. Like not needing to go to a doctor's office or something. And
Everyone can use it.
it's just water, so it's probably safer than jamming anything in your ear. It's a lot of cool aspects to it. I hope they just got the protocol in there, and I'm sure they will. Instruction manual saying, okay, like, use this one no more than, what would you think, once a week or something?
Yeah, once a week, once a month.
Once a month, you're thinking.
Not daily.
You're thinking
Definitely not.
So just figure out the right cadence for use. But there you go. You get the feeling these days that many of these products can launch based on TikTok campaigns alone, like viral video campaigns alone.
Yeah.
Where it would just be like, hey, man, this is a good product demo in short form. In about a minute, we can show people what it does, and everyone will understand the contraption. And they don't need an enormous marketing budget. And since they can just do it all via e-commerce, boom, orders start to fill up, and everyone's wearing these headphones, just flushing those ears out.
That's fun.
Across the globe. I saw a chunk of something come out over there in that one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it was oddly satisfying.
Oh, wow.
And people are into weird stuff, but